Today, we are diving into something that's revolutionizing the way we connect to mobile networks eSIM technology. What is it? How does it work? And why should you care? Let's find out. First thing first, let's break it down. What is an eSIM? The E in the eSIM stands for embedded, not electronic, like many might think. So, an eSIM or embedded SIM is a digital version of the traditional SIM card. Instead of using a physical SIM card that you slot into your phone, the eSIM is built directly into your phone's hardware. That means you don't have to mess with swapping physical SIM cards anymore. How to check if your device supports eSIM? So, how can you check if your phone supports eSIM? Well, there are two simple ways. You can search online for a list of eSIM compatible devices. If your phone is on the list, it's good to go. Secondly, dial *#06# on your phone. If you see an EID number, it means your phone supports eSIM. No EID number? Don't worry. Just contact your carrier or phone manufacturer to double check. What is eSIM card? Now, for those of you with phones that don't support eSIM, there's something called eSIM card. Here I'm going to talk about Switch card. eSIM, which is basically an eSIM card. This little device can make your phone eSIM compatible even without upgrading to a new device. You just insert the Switch card into your phone's regular SIM slot and boom. You can use eSIM features like downloading carrier profiles, switching networks, and even using international plans. So, why would someone need an eSIM? Well, an eSIM is perfect for frequent travelers. You can easily switch networks when you are abroad, and you can store up to 15 eSIM profiles per switch card. This means you can use different networks on the same device, all without swapping physical SIM cards. Does eSIM change your phone number? Now, a burning question. The short answer is no. When you install an eSIM, it doesn't affect your phone number at all. You can continue using your number as usual, even if you are using eSIM for data or switching networks. Is eSIM permanent? One of the coolest things about eSIM is its flexibility. You can switch mobile plans as often as you want, but keep in mind, only one eSIM can be active on your device at a time. However, most eSIM capable phones allow dual SIM capabilities, so you can use an eSIM alongside your traditional SIM card. If you are using WhatsApp, your account won't be affected by the eSIM. WhatsApp is linked to your phone number, not the SIM card. So you will still be able to message and call using data from your eSIM, even if your regular SIM is off. So if you're still confused, what's the difference between Switch card and eSIM profile? Well, an eSIM profile contains your carrier information to connect to a mobile network. Once an eSIM is installed, it works like a regular SIM, even when there is no physical eSIM is in your mobile. However, if your phone is not compatible to eSIM technology, then you will need a physical eSIM card. For that purpose, you can use Switch card. Switch card just enables your device to access eSIM features. It doesn't come with an eSIM profile. You will need to get from your current mobile network if it supports eSIM. For example, in UAE, and UAE offers eSIM features and various data plans. Switch card has multiple data plans as global plans covering 140 plus areas. They have day pass for various countries and regions, and they also offer regional plans. Now, let's say if you are traveling to the Gulf countries, Switch eSIM has some great plans for you. With 5G speed, you can use your eSIM for up to 180 days in countries like Bahrain, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. Here's how to get started in just 3 simple steps. Confirm eSIM compatibility in your device. Check if your phone supports eSIM or buy a Switch eSIM card. Select your data plan and you will get your eSIM profile and a QR code via email. Activate eSIM. Use the Switch app or just scan the QR code to activate eSIM profile. To buy Switch card for iPhone, it is available for 75 dirhams and for Android phones, it is available for 51 dirhams. You can buy a Switch card from their website. The link is in the description. You might be wondering why not just buy a local SIM when you get there. Sure, it's an option, but just think about this. You land at the airport and you are rushing to find a local SIM card, waiting in the line and activating it. With an eSIM, you have already bought your data plan and you can activate the moment you land. And here comes the Switch card when your mobile device is not compatible with eSIM technology. You will need eSIM card. eSIM is the future of mobile connectivity and it's perfect for travelers. No more physical SIM card. If your phone is latest and is compatible with eSIM technology, then there is no need of physical SIM card. Just all digital setup and you are ready to go wherever you want. But you can still travel and enjoy the benefits of eSIM if you buy Switch card and enjoy all eSIM benefits. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care.